How's it going, y'all? Richie here. Today we're gonna be trying to work on the Z. As you can see, this has been sitting here. I think the city came through and left us a note because of my flat tire, but my air compressor's or the line to my air compressor is messed up, so I gotta go get much better, stronger line for it. But we're gonna get this car cover off because today, I think all my stuff finally came in wire harness wise. So what I need to do, and I'm gonna go stop at a Dustin shop, see if he can help me out with some of it. We're going to try to start working on the harness. So for those who don't know, I don't know if I probably haven't made that video yet. This car is my 1986 Nissan 300ZX. Car is originally a manual non-turbo car. These come single turbo if you get the turbo version, but I bought a turbo parts car that's sitting in the garage in the second bay over there. Put the turbo stuff on this car, and it's basically an NA to T car, pretty popular swap, and it runs perfectly fine. But I've started having electrical issues, and I was losing spark and some other stuff, so we kind of situated it to where we're pretty sure it's like something to do with the computer, since the other car is 84 and 84 computer 2020. That's what is that, 36 years old? I think 36-year-old computer. No, 37-year-old computer. So we got a MS3 Pro that we're going to be throwing in the car, but I got to make my own harness, so we're going to go ahead and get that done. But first I got to pull the hood off. Alright, I tried to mount it to one of the glass frames on the garage door. Hopefully it doesn't mess it up, but let's get this hood off. Go profile. Good news is I got the part of the harness that was a pain in the ass to get off, but I got it out because it was looped through under all of this other shit. Because I think this is the MAF and some fuel pressure stuff. So we just got to remove the rest of the harness. I'm gonna attach the GoPro to the windshield. See if you guys can see me. So one second. Just right. Oh, no. Got a couple 10 mils to remove. Just gonna take this PCB off. It redirects to the intake. I'm gonna more than likely make a catch can setup. I know I am. It's a matter of when. But once you do all that, that is the entire wire harness, the engine harness. So the thing that's gonna suck Let me grab you guys real quick. I'll grab my gloves. Hold on. The thing that's gonna suck is pulling this thing out. So you gotta go in the firewall. I don't know which. I know it's 2 connectors. I don't know which 2 it is, but we're gonna find out. Hold on, I got a bunch of stuff in the way. So I don't know what is going on or how this thing is looped up, but looks like I'm gonna have to remove this real quick. Oh man, I didn't know I cracked this. Oh, shit. Damn it. Oh well. So, and of course, those are feel kind of loose. So the harness, if I'm following it correctly, comes all the way here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it goes here and goes over here and then comes down through here. So I'm wondering, but I can't see until I remove this. So I'm gonna remove this side panel. I'll be right back. Keep holding you guys while I do this. That one's out, but looks like it's a little messed up. Hopefully I can get, I don't know. It's weird because, I'll put you guys down for a second. Oh man, shit. I was trying to avoid doing that. Broken clips, of course. Maybe I can get that taken care of one day. Alright, so once you remove that, I need to know exactly which harness this thing comes down to, because there's a harness that goes all the way in the back. So I will be right back. Let me double check something real quick. Oh yeah, let me double check something real quick. So I actually think it's just this harness here. So it loops up and goes under here, but we're going to remove this here. If I can get it to budge, there we go. Because it loops behind, looks like this airbox. And make sure you don't lose the bolt like I just did. So, if I'm looking at it correctly, this thing runs. Down real quick. There's like a bunch of stuff in the board. It runs here. I don't know if you guys can see me. Hold on. Maybe that's better. Is it better? Yeah. Alright, so it runs here. There's a clip that holds it to the firewall there, and another clip right there. And then it looks like it just pulls through. So, you're gonna wanna, with these clamps, I think, you push them towards you, or where the notch is, then you can release them. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm probably not gonna record that, but also my camera might die, so see you guys in a bit. Alright, so I think I got it out, hopefully. You can see. Hold on. There's a bunch of stuff in my way too. Which one? Yep, that's it right there. Hold on. I can't really set you guys anywhere, so I'm gonna try setting you guys there. Hopefully you can see. Alright, so I got good news. They're all got it. The 35-year-old harness, 35-year-old harness is getting ready to come out now. I had to go through some hoops to try to remove a bunch of other dumb shit. Put in the harness. Alright, so good news. Let me put my gloves back on. But I got the rest of the harness out. Nissan, for some reason, part of the harness runs into the one of the fusible links that's actually in the fender. I don't know why. But And it also runs on the battery tray. So, good news is it's easy to get to the fusible link. But the battery tray is welded in, as I'm about to show you right here. Welded in from the front and the back. Good news is it was this one which holds this fusible link, which actually mounts here. I don't know what to do about that with the Mega Squirt. I don't know if I need it. I'm more than likely going to be replacing this fusible link with something else, which means I probably need to do a whole body harness, but I'd rather not do that. But the good news is, all this extra shit, now I'm trying to finish it out. The harness is finally out. No rips, no tears. Oh, damn it, I forgot. Fucking 10 mil ground strap. So somewhere in this harness or in the computer is where all of my Z issues have been coming from. But the good news is, because I got the new harness and everything else, we're gonna be actually going to coil on plug. I just gotta get new damn, what do I need? Oh, I just need new plug wires. Sorry, I blanked out because I gotta make my own. Like I said, I think in Christian's video, or Turbocharged Creations, he did some like LS coils, and he got the brackets and actually showed himself making his own wire. I might go the same thing. I might do the same thing, honestly, because in order to really mount them correctly, some people mount them on the valve cover, some people don't. Some people mount them on the back of the firewall. Some people, like I think on Steven's car, the one from First Wednesday, they relocated a battery to the trunk, like how I guess you say like BMW with like BMW relocation kit. And after they did that, they put the holes here, so they didn't have to worry about anything. But God, why is this bolt not coming in? Hold on. This long ass fucking bolt. Jesus. Alright, so now I don't think I forgot anything else. Yep. This rat's nest gets to go bye-bye. And the new one is in my bag with all the connectors and everything else. I think I forgot a couple connectors, but we gotta see how we're gonna try to wire all that stuff in. But now that I'm done with this, I'm gonna put everything up, head over to Dustin's shop. I may or may not record while I'm over there. It just depends if he doesn't mind and if everyone else there doesn't mind being on film. But I can, if I get to, I get to show you guys what they're working on over there also. So I'm gonna clean up, get all my tools, and then we're gonna hop in the 3 and head out over there. So see you guys in a bit. Alright, don't ask me how this happened, but it's midnight. I'm over here at Dustin's shop, Midnight Auto, and been talking about getting my Z running and everything else, and he's like, you know, it's time for him to bring his old Z. He's got a white Z32. I think it's full. It's just got a couple bolt-ons and stuff, and this Innovate gauge tracks AFR, ethanol content. I think that's fuel pressure. I could be wrong. And that's IAT. And he was like, you know, why don't you drive it? I haven't drove it in a while. Drove it, didn't record footage. Sounds great. I love the car. I want my car back on the road, but we're gonna go get some rolling footage. So, hold on. Blow-off valves in this, in case you couldn't hear me earlier. But this thing, stopped recording. Homie was like, hey bro, rev that motherfucker out. I'm like, alright, I got you. Downshifted and just, you know, made the right noises. He's like, damn. He doesn't know I'm driving Dustin's car, but he's asking if Dustin does my work. So, but we're about to get back to the shop now. Oh shit.